An inspiration from Psalm 124. O Lord my God, shield me from shame, in days where your name is cast in blame, where whispers of faith grow faint and rare, silenced by all that the world declares. In a world swayed by selfish fire, where flesh chases after hollow desires, grant us courage and strength anew, to plant our feet in the gospel's truth. Like ancient trees with roots spread wide, we'll stand unmoved with you as our guide. No idols false, no veiled disguise will claim our hearts or cloud our eyes. Reveal your ways, O Lord of light. You are the truth, the path, the way that's right. Open our senses every part to see the schemes that hide in the dark. Align each step our journey planned with your word as a lamp in hand, to lead us through the narrow way and light the path to you each day. Keep us humble, O Lord, we plead. In mercy show us all we need, for you alone are our hope, our song, our God of salvation, to you we belong. In patience we wait, our faith set true, for all of our days we will trust in you.